Hi, this is Mike with Family Handyman. Now we all have a million projects that we want to do on our home that we keep putting off week after week after week. But I've got a list of a few projects that you shouldn't put off. You should tackle right away before someone gets hurt. Let's check them out. Now one of the leading causes of poisoning death in the home is carbon monoxide. And the gas range actually can be a source of that. Now we have a pretty typical setup here with a microwave over the range, and it's got a vent on it. We can turn it on. It makes us feel safe, but all it's really doing is recirculating that air back into the kitchen. What we really need in this instance is an exhaust that sends the bad air right out of the house. Another common household hazard that could lead to injury is loose stair rail. Now this is a simple fix that might just take tightening a few loose screws. If that doesn't work though, you might have to reposition the bracket to make sure that it is hitting a stud. So we all know that mold is bad and can cause some real health problems, but it's often invisible and hard to detect. But if you've got standing water, you can be sure that that could be a place where mold could grow. Now I could get this tested and I could clean it up, but the real problem is having that water in here, so make sure it never gets in here in the first place. Down here at the furnace, and even this can be a potential hazard, whether it's a fire hazard or a source for a gas leak or carbon monoxide poisoning. So it's really important to get your furnace serviced once a year. And while you're at it, check your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Replace the batteries once a year and make sure that they're working. I like this model because it's both a smoke and a carbon monoxide detector in one. So there's my list of projects that you should no longer put off. Just get them done to make sure that no one gets hurt. For more home care tips, head to familyhandyman.com.